So hello guys and welcome to this video, and after a very long time I'm back with a motorcycle review, and this is the latest addition to the Pulsar family, the Pulsar N160. And in this video I'll be giving you a proper review and riding experience of this motorcycle. So like, share and subscribe, link is in the description for the Instagram handle. And now let's get riding. Okay, so riding the Bajaj Pulsar N160, and the first thing that I noticed immediately was that this motorcycle is extremely refined for a Bajaj motorcycle. It has got almost no vibration even at the top end of the rev band, so that's an extremely good part. Talking about the ergonomics bit of this motorcycle, it is extremely comfortable to sit on, yet it has got that sporty feel to it. It has got the foot pegs, which are a bit rare set, and a single piece handlebar, which is also very sporty. And if I talk about the weight of this motorcycle, it weighs about 154 kgs, which is not a lot of weight for a motorcycle, so that's also a very good part. It is very flickable in the city. The front end feels light. It has got good amount of feel to it, so that's also a very good part. Now talking about the engine of this motorcycle, it is being powered by a brand new motor. It is a 164.82cc single cylinder oil cooled motor. It has got 2 valves and single overhead cam. So Bajaj says that this is a long stroke motor, and long stroke motors are really known for their mid-range grunt, and any gear open throttle it has got the progress, so that's a very good part. Talking about the power figures, it produces about 16 PS of power and 14.65 Newton meters of torque. Now one thing great about Bajaj motorcycle has always been the handling. As you can see, the cornering confidence that this motorcycle inspires is really amazing. That's also an extremely good part. And then this engine, really smooth throughout the rev range, and then it has got that extremely good low and mid range punch. And obviously being a Pulsar, it has also got that top end centric performance too, so it is extremely thrilling to ride. And I'm not riding single, I've got a pillion at the back, so the performance is not bad at all. And also to support its brilliant handling, it has got 37mm conventional forks up front and an adjustable monoshock at the back, which makes this motorcycle extremely flickable and corner friendly. Talking about the braking performance of this motorcycle, it has got the biggest front rotor, that's a 300mm rotor at the front, and a 230mm rotor at the back. Now that big 300mm rotor helps its overall brake feel and bite. The bite from the front brake is very good. It is a progressive braking setup, and at the back the braking performance is not bad at all. And obviously the N160 has got the safety net of a dual channel ABS setup, so you can brake as hard as you can and as late as you can. So this is the motorcycle, the brand new Pulsar N160, and it looks absolutely brilliant in this black paint scheme. And at the front it has got these menacing looking pilot lamps and a single projector headlamp. This is the front fender. This is the front tire of this motorcycle. It is a 100 section 180 17-inch rim. So these are MRF zappers, and these are quite good tires. This is the front 300mm rotor, and the caliper is from Gramica. Moving on, it has got a Pulsar badge on the tank, and this is a 14-liter fuel tank, so that will offer a very good tank range. And this is the brand new engine, or the N160. It is finished in gloss black, and nicely finished brake lever and foot pegs. It has got an N160 sticker here. These are the grab handles of this motorcycle, and from the back it looks very much like other Pulsars. It has got a twin tail lamp and conventional indicators. It has also got a tire hugger. Talking about the rear tire of this motorcycle, it wears a 130 section rear tire, 130/70 17-incher, and that is the 230mm rotor at the back. That's the sari guard and conventional box type swing arm. You already have noticed it has got a main stand, and this is the side stand of this motorcycle. and this is the gear lever. The belly pan is finished in gloss, so that also looks very good. It has got these crash guards. So this is the instrument console of this motorcycle. It has been carried forward from the Pulsar N250. Let's turn it on. It does a full swipe, and at this side it has got the warning lights, a side stand indicator, and the indicator and high beam flasher. It has got the tachometer in the front marked up to 9000 rpm, a gear position indicator, a speedometer. It shows time, odometer, and the fuel gauge. So it has got all the information that is extremely necessary for your daily usage. Talking about daily usage, it has also got a very nicely positioned USB charger here, and the overall quality of the motorcycle is very good. I am extremely impressed by the quality of this motorcycle. It is very good by Bajaj standards. Now let's hear the exhaust note of this motorcycle. So let's start it up. This is the idle sound of this motorcycle, and now let's rev it. So now comes the conclusion part of this video. Should you be buying the Pulsar N160? Well, in my opinion, this is the nicest 160cc motorcycles out there. It has got a sweet engine note. It is extremely refined, and for a Pulsar the quality is top notch. So in my opinion, this is one of the best 160cc motorcycles you can buy in the year 2022. So yep, that was it for this video. Like, share and subscribe. Link is in the description for the Instagram handle. And as always, ride safe and keep riding hard.